Hello friends, hello students, today we will study about goat farming. This in goat farming, no loss is there. You can get only profit. Nothing can be waste. Like in cow farming, if cow gets older means it will be a one tension for you. But that means in cow farming what happens? Everything you can sell, but when the first milk, then for vermicompost you can also sell that cow dung, it can be used. But when the cow gets older, she or he cannot give you milk. Only the thing is you will get only cow dung and it will be burden for you. But in goat farming, if goat is older, then also you can sell it. So today in this video we will discuss about goat farming, every point in goat farming. Goat is usually referred to as the cow of the poor. Rearing of goat is easy and can be done by landless laborers, women and children, and goat has the ability to survive on little vegetation and grass. Goat farming suits India's climate and economic situations. This is evident from the fact that every year 1/3 of the goats are slaughtered, but the population has been constantly rising. The contribution of goatery to the country can be gauged from the facts. Let's know about some facts. First is yearly production of goat milk is 1.5 million ton. Yearly production of goat meat is 0.4 million ton. Leather 0.1 million ton. In medical field also we can use goat. In medical field, how it is used? You know the term collagen fiber 1. It is extracted from goat. And where it is used? It is used in medical field. How? It is used in the collagen fiber extracted from the goat. It is used in surgeries. Some fibers you can make, the fibers made from goat, it can use in overbleeding. Okay, to stop overbleeding in surgeries. For gap filling of teeth also there is one collagen fiber is used, that is prepared from this goat bone. Okay, collagen fiber 1. So next we will discuss about detailed types of goat. There is Bittal Punjab, Jamuna Pari, on the bank of Jamuna and Chambal river it is found. Jhakarna, Rajasthan, Haryana it is found. Malburi, Kerala, it is Malburi found in Kerala. Surati, that is from Maharashtra. Cistern, its yield 3.3 liter of milk per day. And Alpine breeds also are nice. 2.5 liter of milk per day it gives. And Tangavari also one variety of goat that gives 2 liter per day, 2 liter milk per day. And these the Citron, Alpine breeds and Tangavari, these three are highly these high quality breeds are crossed with the indigenous breeds to produce economically more viable breeds. Let's now about the market potential. Goat meat has no religious inhibitions and is consumed by all the regions and races in the country. Goat milk is the source of cheap protein for the poor people and has medicinal properties. Goats are also major sources of leather and leather products in the country. Goats are simple creatures and live in the domestic environment. Goats can be reared commercially, and such ventures are viable and may form source of livelihood and extra income for poor people in the villages. Goat farming provides a good source of living and has great potential in most part of the country. Now let's know about the technical requirements. What we need for a goat. We need technical details. First is space requirement. It's goats prefer clean and dry and solid floor. Wet places affect their milk production. They need cheap shelter to protect them from the vagaries of nature like rain, winter, etc. The requirement of space and its cost is furnished. And let's know about some quantity. According to quantity, we will know how the space you want. First is now. First, I'll tell the type of goat quantity, space requirement, goat per square feet, total space requirement in square feet, and square feet total cost. I'll tell. First is dose 50 in quantity, 10, 500, 40, 20,000 is cost. Bulk 2, 20, 40, 1600. Kids 68, 4, 272, 40, 10,880. Total 32,480. Cost of goats. Does 50 at the rate 900 rupees each, for 45,000 total, and box 2 at the rate 1100 rupees each, 2,200 total, 47,200. Main assumption for this project is first is kidding interval 8 months, age at maturity 12 months, kids percentage 85%, twinning 60%, number of kiddings per year 1.5%, male ratio, sex ratio, it should be male is to female, that is 1:1. Production target, adult does 10, bucklings 55, dolings 42. Let's know about the feed requirements. Traditionally, goats rearing in villages are not given much attention towards their feed and fodders. However, for proper breeding, attention need to be paid to the feeding requirement, which will be green fodder and concentration comprising chana means gram, and moong, chaff, gur, etc. Male goats require maximum feed, followed by pregnant goats and kids. The cost of green fodder is estimated as rupees 1,000 per month once in a year. Concentration requirement will be 2 months for doves, 2 months per box, and 1 month for kids at a price of rupees 4 per kg. And let's know the calculation. I'll first tell serial number, goat, requirement per cow, per kg. Total requirement cost per kg in rupees. Total cost in rupees. I'll explain accordingly. First is serial number 1. Dose 6.75 per kg. 6.75 into 2 months into 50 heads, that will be 42,700. Box 7.5 kg into 2 months into 2 heads equals to 4,120. Kits 3.75 kg into 1 month into 68 heads equals to 41,020 rupees. Total 3,840. Total feed requirement is 12,000 plus 4,000 equals to 16,000 per annum. Okay. Now working capital per feed. No, first feed cost, concentration and green fodder for 1 month 3,400. Labor cost, you can also normally who does the self person works, so 15 days, suppose extra 15 days 1,000. Other cost 700, that is 5,140 total. Let's know about the cost of project. In this project, land development 10,000. Cost of thatch roof shed, that is 32,500. Miscellaneous and contingencies, this 400 rupees. Miscellaneous equipment and like bucket, tank, etc., it's a 1,000. Cost of cows including transportation, insurance, that is 51,000. Working capital 5,100. All total 1 lakh. In second year of the project, amount, sales realization, sale of adult dolls, that is 15 numbers, it will be 3,000. At the rate 3,000, if you sell, you will get 45,000. Sale of bucklings 60 numbers at the rate 2,000, that will be 1,20,000. And sale of dollings, that is 45 numbers at the rate 3,000, it will be 1,35,000. Total 3 lakh you will get. Now let's know about viability indicators. Repayment of annum. Suppose you have taken any bank loan for this project, you can get you have to repay of annum per annum, that is 19,600. Our return of investment ROI 43%. Interest moratorium and repayment period for beneficiaries is 5 years. Okay, suppose you have to do like this. Cost of production, let's know about the cost of production. Fodder and feed cost 16,000, medicine 1,000, insurance 2,000, labor wages 24,000, interest 6,000, veterinary services 1,000, total 50,000. Cost profit 2,50,000. Depreciation, amortization of expenses, that is at the rate 25,000. Net profit 2,25,000. This is the overall project details for goat farming. If any questions, any queries about this, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.